The regulatory landscape surrounding gold IRAs is always changing, and if you're managing a family office, you need to stay ahead of these shifts to maximize your opportunities. In this video, we're diving into the ways family offices can leverage gold IRAs for long-term growth and protection, and how to make the most of the ever-evolving regulations. Stay tuned to the end because I'll also tell you how you can secure a free gold IRA checklist with trusted companies to help safeguard your wealth. First, let's talk about why gold IRAs are so attractive for family offices in the current climate. With inflation on the rise and the stock market's volatility, many high net worth individuals and family offices are turning to precious metals like gold as a hedge against economic uncertainty. It's a way to diversify portfolios and protect purchasing power for future generations. But to truly maximize the potential, you need to be aware of the regulatory landscape. Next, let's dive into the types of gold IRAs available. There are two main types: traditional gold IRAs and Roth gold IRAs. A traditional gold IRA allows for tax-deferred growth, meaning you won't pay taxes on any gains until you start withdrawing. This can be a big benefit for family offices looking to grow their wealth over time. On the other hand, a Roth gold IRA allows for tax-free growth and tax-free withdrawals in retirement, which could be a powerful tool for those who have already accumulated wealth and are looking to preserve it for future generations. The third thing to consider is the custodian. Family offices must choose a custodian that complies with IRS regulations. A qualified custodian is crucial to ensure that the gold in your IRA is stored correctly and that all transactions are in compliance with the law. The IRS requires that the gold be stored in an approved depository, and family offices need to verify that the custodian is trustworthy and follows all the necessary legal requirements. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the annual contribution limits and the penalties for over-contributing. For 2025, the contribution limit for a gold IRA is $6,500 for individuals under 50 and $7,500 for those 50 and older. Exceeding this limit can result in penalties, which could negatively affect the overall performance of your gold IRA strategy. This is where working with an experienced advisor can help ensure you're staying compliant. Next up, let's discuss the importance of a comprehensive investment strategy. For family offices, investing in gold through an IRA isn't just about buying the metal itself, it's about having a well-rounded plan. You need to balance gold with other types of assets, whether that's stocks, bonds, or real estate. Diversification is key in protecting wealth across multiple generations. While gold can be a fantastic hedge against inflation, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. The sixth thing to consider is tax implications. Gold IRAs are generally tax advantageous, but they still require strategic management. Whether you're dealing with a traditional or Roth IRA, the tax implications differ, and understanding these nuances can help minimize your tax burden over the long term. An advisor who understands the regulatory landscape of gold IRAs can offer valuable insight into how to manage these taxes and take advantage of the best tax strategies available. To wrap things up, maximizing gold IRA opportunities for family offices requires a solid understanding of the regulatory landscape, choosing the right custodian, and creating a long-term strategy for wealth protection. If you're serious about preserving and growing your wealth, you can't afford to ignore these factors. Gold IRAs are a great option for American retirees with $100,000 or more in their IRA or 401k, or those with $5 million plus in savings. But if your savings are under $50,000, there's another good alternative for you, and I've linked the details in the description below. If you want to make sure you're working with the most trusted gold IRA company in America, be sure to check out the free gold IRA checklist in the description. I trust this company with all my gold and savings, and I'm confident you will too.